the Machine. And then when I first heard Rage Against the Machine record, it looked like Run DMC in the Bomb Squad on steroids, with a taste of cocktail pudding, but the vocal delivery of Zach and the way that band, the drums, Tom Morello's guitar playing, the bass player, that whole concoction of magnificent, incredible, awesome, purposeful hip hop rock and roll was it was heaven. It was heaven. And when I first heard these Rage Against the Machine, they had all the elements of hip hop. They had that higher level of powerful rock and roll, but plus the lyrics and the contents of this music was revolutionary. It was revolutionary to the point where, I think Rage Records, the listener and the people who didn't want to hear it, it brought about a freedom of expression and creativity that hasn't been duplicated since. To this day, you could put a Rage record on, and even the young kids will go, well, who's that guy rapping? Like, who's that? They didn't just add to their genre of rock and rap. I think they defined it. They took those elements, and I think what we had with hip hop, we had Steel and Iron with rap, rock, and hip hop. Rage Against the Machine.